Hey guys, thanks for tuning into today's video. I'm going to show you how to style shibori a few different ways. These outfits are going to be a mix between Indo-Western and also contemporary Western outfits.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, Lifestyle Grub, where we talk about everything that has to do with life and vogue and being a balanced woman. The first look is an Indo-Western style pantsuit. So the shirt is actually long enough to wear as a dress. The slits don't come up really high. And I've paired the dress style shirt with leather pants or leather palazzo pants. I have a belt purse which ties in the dupatta / shawl, and it has ruffled borders. It's very pretty. The shibori print is pink and purple, and it has Mukesh work throughout. I absolutely love this outfit for an Indo-Western vibe. So for my jewelry, I have tasseled earrings, and I actually have these hoops which are semicircles, so they have like a space right in the middle and you can just slip them on. They're really cool. And in this next option, all I did was take the dupatta / shawl off, so I'm just wearing the long dress with pants. So this can also be a Western style outfit. It is also Indo-Western. There's a huge trend with wearing pants with dresses right now. Oh, and make sure you pair your long dresses and your pants with stiletto heels. It always looks so chic and very put together. And in this last option, I've just worn the shirt as a dress. You guys can take a look here. It's absolutely amazing. I love this shibori print. And just a simple everyday dress style. All my accessories are black. Here I have a YSL shoulder purse instead of my belt purse. It's really awesome, really cool, everyday look. In this next look, I'm going to style shibori bike shorts in two ways. So in the first option, what I did was I styled it with a leather shacket, which I got from Zara, and I put on a belt purse, a black sequin belt purse. My shibori shorts have a purple and pink tint, so the color of the shacket is beige, and it's oversized, so it looks extra chic. And I've finished off the look with black embossed Guess wedges. Yes, I absolutely love my wedge sneakers still, and I'm still rocking them, and as you can see, they look totally stylish. I have shiny mid-length socks on as well with my black embossed wedge sneakers. It's something that you can walk around in style and get all your errands done for the day. I also have a Louis Vuitton headband on, and my jewelry is Anne Klein in rose gold. It goes with the pink tone in my shibori shorts. So my shorts are actually an 8-inch length, and I got these ones for Lululemon. So you can rock these totally in casual, dressed up, or to work out in, which is why I absolutely love these shorts. Hope you guys like this look. Here's option 2. I still have my shibori 8-inch length shorts on. I have a boyfriend pink blazer from H&M. I also have my pink Chanel crossbody purse, and I absolutely love my pink shoes, which I finished off the look with. These are pink pillow texture mules, also from Guess. Okay guys, here's the next look in tie-dye fabric this time. So pretty much the dye is in splotches throughout the fabric. It's on Georgette fabric, and what makes this fabric so pretty is it's got sequin work throughout. It's embroidered and sewn on the fabric. Honestly, I don't know how long that would have taken to make this fabric, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I can wear this outfit 3 ways. So I can wear this as a dress. So it's your modern shift dress look. And I can wear it with sequin golden palazzo pants or flared pants. These are absolutely gorgeous. So it's like a dress with a pair of pants look. So this look would be more chic, kind of uptown, Western and Indo-Western. And The last way is to wear it with a shawl. You can wear your shawl two ways. One is just kind of draped around on your arms, and of course, you can wear it as a dupatta or a shawl over your shoulder. I hope you guys like these looks. They're absolutely beautiful, and I'm loving tie-dye right now, and I hope you guys love this tie-dye look. And I just want to make a shout out for my favorite sunglasses right now. Check it out, you guys. These are photochromatic riders. And the beauty about these sunglasses is you can wear them for working out, biking, running, whatever you want, and you can also dress them up as I've done with this look. And I've finished off the look with pink sandals, a pink bracelet, and a mosaic pattern purse with pink embroidery in it. Obviously, it's to accent the yellow. I'm gonna link for you guys. I actually bought it overseas, but I'm pretty sure I can find where this is located on Etsy. So check out the links below and you can find out where to find these fabrics, as this piece was custom made. Cut to this next tie-dye look, guys. So here I have a tie-dye skirt, and I decided to wear it with a t-shirt. So because there was red in the skirt, I have a red t-shirt with it, and I have completed the look with my Christian Dior tote bag, and it's also in red. I have a couple multicolored bangles. They're in jade stone, and my shoes are platform at Sally's. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they're in white, which matches the base color of my tie-dye skirt. See, you can wear tie-dye with class. This is so cute. You would think that you can't wear a multicolored tie-dye outfit these days, but check this look out, you guys. Be a judge yourself. It looks absolutely amazing and chic. You can definitely take a stroll downtown somewhere, go out for a coffee, go out with your friends, and enjoy this look. What do you get when Versace meets Shibori? Well, you get this absolutely funky outfit. This is a business cash trouser with a blazer outfit, and I've paired it with a black Versace t-shirt style shirt. And of course, you cannot forget your accessories. So I have this really awesome tie-dye clutch purse. I have salmon pink heels and my Versace sunglasses. Check it out. Now be sure to check the links below so you can find out where you can pick up these items, especially these Versace sunglasses and my project of this DIY Versace outfit. All right, guys, this next look is my favorite look. It's an absolutely gorgeous baby doll dress in Shibori embroidered fabric. Check it out. Don't you guys love this one? It's in blue and it's got pink and yellow colors throughout the fabric. And what I've done with this first look is I've paired it with mules, and I have my GG earrings. They're in multicolor, and I have a blue stone bracelet on to go with the overall blue color theme of this dress. So with my dress, as you can see, I have my GG belt bag in pink. It goes with the pink tone in the fabric, and with my blue mules. Looks absolutely baby doll gorgeous. The beauty about this one is you can wear it 3 different ways. So you can wear it just as a dress. You can also pair it with silk trousers. So you have pants with a dress as a shirt, or you can wear it Indo-Western with your trousers, the dress, and your dupatta or scarf. And as you can see in this look right here, I have a yellow dupatta. All right, guys, this next look is when Gucci meets tie-dye and meets Indo-Western. In this first option, I'm showing you an Indo-Western look. So I have a tie-dye blouse, and it's a smocked type blouse. I have black velvet pants, and I've tied my multicolor Shibori dupatta as kind of a sari drape. So check this look out, you guys. Absolutely amazing. The highlight of this outfit is the graphic handbag. Check it out. Option 2, I have my velvet flared pants with a yellow coat and my tie-dye smocked blouse. Check it out when Gucci meets tie-dye. I hope you guys liked these looks. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to do so below. If you have any different ideas that you'd like me to do some videos on, please do let me know. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.